Hello, hello. That light is glaring up there. It's that time again. I actually got this yesterday, but have not had a chance to open it yet. This was the November Color Street box. These are always so fun. $30 a month. You always get between 4 to 6 sets of nails. If I can get it open. And you always get a bonus little gift that can be multiple things. It's been lipsticks, it's been jewelry, it's been makeup, it's been hair clips. There's been gift cards in them in time. Sometimes it's Color Street items, sometimes it's not. Of course, if I get it open, that's the trick. But I've never been disappointed with these yet. It's $30 a month. You can skip months. You can cancel anytime. There's no obligation. They're delivered right to your door. There's always at least 4 sets, which is pretty much to do a mani every week for a whole month. Stay. I wanted to open this one here. And let's see what's in it. Here's the little pamphlet that always comes that gives you different ideals you can use or not use. I like to hang on to them though, so even if I don't do the manis as they're showing on here and decide to do my own thing, but if I run out of ideals, I can always find other sets and try to do something similar. The sets that come in these boxes though are not for sale separately on the site. They create these sets every month specifically for the boxes. Of course, it comes with a prep pad and the file. And it looks like we got 4 sets this time. There's always at least 4. Everlasting Lily. That's cute. I'm going to do my nails tonight, actually. Because I've had these on for probably a couple weeks or more. Forever in Bloom. Trying to get that glare off of it. The theme this month was Garden of Time. Every month it's a new theme. This one's Sands of Eternity. Kind of looks similar to our Tokyo Lights, but not quite. And then we have Very Dreamy. Which is, it doesn't show real well on here, but it's kind of like a plum purple with bunches of glitter. This was definitely a glitter month. And the bonus item is a little stand-up 12-month calendar. With little pages that you can color. It doesn't say color them, but you actually could if you like to color and do those kind of things. So, yep, that was the bonus item this month. Your little coloring calendar. You can sign up for these on the link that should show up on here. I will also put it in the comments if it doesn't show up on here. So I hope you're all having a good evening. I'm getting ready to go through and do an inventory check that I haven't done yet. I like to do every month. And here's, well, let me turn this around and I'll give you a glimpse of my collection of sets that I inventory. Yeah, there's 4 totes there. That's all my home stash inventory. These things are addictive. They're easy to want to snatch up all of them. Hi, Kristen. Anyway, I'm getting ready to do inventory. That was the color play blocks for this month. Was Garden, Timeless Garden, I think is what I said. Be sure to hop on the link if you're interested in these, and you can sign up for the December box. Catch you all later. Hope you're all having a good evening.